realistic images with stencils.
Video tutorial by Svetlana Fomina. Hi, my name is Svetlana Fomina, and I am a textile artist. Since almost 15 years, I have been exploring felting as an artistic technique. My aim is to create beautiful images close to modern and historical embroidery. I am proud of my results, and my biggest goal is to share my techniques with my students. Painting with fibers makes me happy and gives me my own voice. When I am working on my next piece, choosing colors and lines, laying the fibers, time runs differently. It is like meditation. It makes me happy and allows me to see things better. In this tutorial, you will learn to felt graphically. Even if you do not have any experience, you will be able to create a realistic image. During felting, fibers intermingle and the image can become blurry. The challenge is to create clear lines and a clean surface. I will explain to you how to keep images clean and colors vivid. For this class, you do not need any prior knowledge. Some of my students have never even touched wool before and were able to create beautiful images from scratch. You may use it for wall hangings, cushions, or bed covers, for shawls and garments. What about an artistic journal or a cover for a diary? Welcome to my studio in Moscow. We will start with the choice and the processing of images, making stencils and choosing materials and color palettes. It will teach you to make a perfect pre-felt for our purpose, and of course how to create images and felt them together.
Let us make an overview of all the required materials. We will need some fine wool in tops, fineness 18 to 21 micron,
and a selection of decorative fibers. I am using viscous rayon fibers because they are the best in my opinion.
You may use different silk fibers, especially pulled silk fiber sliver, silk hankies, wool and silk yarn. Then you will need fluid soap. I prefer mild dishwashing liquid.
The equipment we need is a spray bottle and a towel, and a synthetic netting, like mosquito netting. Then I'm also using bubble wrap and laminate underlay for making stencils. Finally, I am also using the electric sander for felting. If you definitely do not like to use it, you may use my techniques without it.